What's going on, guys? It's Sully with Ground Effects. Just want to show you the prep work that we're doing here in Johnson City, Illinois at Redemption Church. We're about to re-top coat this floor with the Ballistix Squire. The floor's been down for 2 years now, I believe. I mean, see Mark and Crystal Plaza did a great job on this floor. All the details, the fish, the shark, but over the years, the top coat that was down beforehand has scratched and got some pretty good gnarl spots in them from when they were laying down the cove base on these walls. So what we're going to do is we've come in today and we are going to buff the floors. Right now we've been using the black pad. We're about to work to the teal pad, red pad, and the white pad, and then we're going to lay our Squire down. Hey guys, it's Sully from Ground Effects. So we're here today at the Redemption Church. After we top coated yesterday, we came, pulled tapes up.
Pull tapes!
As you can see, it turned out great. It makes the floor completely restored. It has an awesome shine to it now. And you can catch the light here. It's super, super shiny. We look down the hall. It was all dull, dingy. Had scuff marks all over it. Now it looks like a brand new floor all over again. If you guys have any questions about the Ballistix, feel free to give us a call at 618-988-6700. Ask for Sully, ask for Mark. We can help you with whatever you need.